Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this look using the Morphe 35C palette. So we're going to begin by putting this magenta color in our crease, and we're going to begin blending it up, and I'm going to continue building this color until I feel comfortable with the intensity. Now I'm going in with a yellow shade, and I'm going to place that right above the magenta color and slowly blend that upwards. I'm going to continue building up that yellow shade, and as I go up, I'll go with a very light hand because I don't want to smudge it up too much, or I don't want it to get too close to my eyebrow. I want it to blend very, very smoothly. Then I went in with a pink eyeshadow tone that was very, very close to the magenta color, and I slowly began blending that with the yellow because I felt like the yellow began kind of washing out the magenta, and I just continued doing that on both eyes. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 5, and I'm going to cut my crease higher than my actual crease because I feel like that just suits my eyes more. With a white eyeshadow, and I'm going to use that to set my crease. Now I'm going in with a light pink eyeshadow, and I'm going to place that on the outer half of my cut crease. Now I'm going in with the first color that I used, the magenta color, and I'm going to press that on my outer corner of the cut crease and slowly blend that in and upwards. Make sure as you blend your eyeshadow you keep a really, really light hand because that's how everything will blend together smoothly. Now I'm placing a white shimmer all over the first half of my cut crease. This shade is actually from the Vault. It's in the shade VIP in the Armed and Gorgeous palette. Now I'm going to smoke out my bottom lash line using the same first color that I used, the magenta color, and I'm going to continue building that up until I feel comfortable with it. to blend out that magenta shade using a yellow eyeshadow and slowly just bring that down and continue building that up. Now I'm placing VIP into my inner corners. I'm going to press a golden highlight into my brow bone. I believe it's from the Anastasia Glow Kits. Don't know exactly which shade. And I'm going to put mascara on my bottom and top lashes. I'm using that same highlighter I used on my brow bone onto my cheekbones and just waiting for the lash glue to dry on the lashes so I can put them on. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you have any ideas for my next videos, make sure to comment below. Your girl is the most creative person out here. And don't forget to subscribe.